one thing you can't fake, and that's results. Results are what separates the talkers from the worker. Those that talk about how hard they work and those who do work.
Hi everyone, and welcome to today's home cardio HIIT style workout. Please make sure you warmed up before you begin. Please read the disclaimer at the beginning, and you don't require any equipment for today's workout. 2 sets, 50 seconds by 10 seconds, 5 exercises. Our first exercise is jogging on the spot. Begin. Alright guys, so nice and light on the toes. Keep the back straight and head up. It's a very basic aerobic exercise. This workout is going to be really good for people just starting out, or for those people who are looking for perhaps a slightly longer warm-up, okay? If you're a bit sore or aching from a week of workouts, this workout will be very good for you just to loosen everything off and get the blood pumping around the body. Keep it light on the toes. Most of our cardio exercises are based in the legs, so you're going to be using the legs a lot today. Keep it nice and light. Don't forget to breathe and listen to your body, okay? If any exercise starts to feel painful, slow it down, take it down to a walking pace, take it down to a basic version, or rest. Including now. So take a 10-second break, give yourself a breather. Should be breathing a little bit heavy now. Getting going, getting everything moving. Our next exercise is under knee clap. Okay, real simple guys. Bring your knee up nice and high and clap your hands under your leg. Now what you want to try to do is not to round your back in this one, okay? Lift your knee up past your hip and just touch your fingers together underneath each leg. Keep the foot in close to the body, don't swing the leg away. Keep your back straight and your head up and lift that knee nice and high. Clap underneath without leaning forward or bringing the shoulders down, okay? I'm trying my best there not to lean forward, not to cheat and reach over, but to lift the knee high enough to actually touch my fingers under the thigh. If you really cannot get your leg high enough, just touch either side of your thigh each time until you've got the flexibility to go higher. And rest. Great job, guys. All right, the next one is one of my favorite cardio bodyweight exercises, which is butt kickers. Now, if you are looking for a low impact version of this, just do it walking, kicking your heel up, and you are trying to kick your hands. Okay, if you want to get a little bit more intense or a little bit more cardio out of it, then you want to be doing the running version I'm doing here. But remember guys, if you need to, you can simply do walking version on the spot. You're aiming to kick those hands, but keep sure, that's good English, make sure to keep those hands nice and flat so you're not going to get your fingers in the way and kick your fingers. Keep it nice and light, one foot to the other, back straight, head up. Okay, you don't need to rotate guys, I'm simply rotating around so you can see it from all angles. Rest, doing good. Keep it light. Shout out to Art, who was doing this off screen. And here we go. Okay, so a straight jab cross this time. A little fighting stance like a boxer. And we're alternating punches. Notice a little bob in the hip each time. Try and get the body involved a little bit. Not just the arms moving, but the body's doing that little bounce on every punch. Keep it light, keep it continuous. 30 seconds to go. Keep it going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. A little bob in the hip. Give those legs a little rest. Alternating hand, a little twist in the wrist each time, just like a boxer. Jab and cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep it going. Okay, those arms, those shoulders might burn a little now. Keep that moving. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Little rest. Catch your breath. Like we said, this is a home cardio workout, but we are looking for quite low impact. Alright, our next exercise is legs only star jump. Again, if you need something easier, just step from side to side, bringing your feet together. Okay guys, legs only star jump. But if you need a more basic version, you can just step one foot out and the other foot out, and then back in and back in. Keep it continuous, keep it light, keep it bouncy. Doing good. Hands on your hips, back straight, head up. Nice and light. Star jump out each time. Don't forget to breathe. Doing great, guys, if you're still with us. Alright, always be aware of what's around you guys. Okay, as you can see, I've got some equipment there, so I'm always spatially aware of what's around me. Don't want any debris on the floor. And rest. Alright, everybody doing really good? Still with us? Catch your breath. Loosen up a little bit. Alright, we are back to the start. Jogging on the spot. Here we go. Second round and final round. Always a nice way to work out. You don't have to do 5, 6, 7 rounds, which is a good idea sometimes. But if you're kind of beginner or you're trying to keep it nice and light, then maybe 5 exercises with 2 rounds. But we're doing a full 50 seconds with only a 10-second rest. So we get a lot of time actually working. Keep it light, on your toes, bouncing from foot to foot. 10 seconds left. Keep it nice and light. Spring in one foot to the other. Keep the arms moving, alternating arm to leg. Keep it nice and loose. And rest. Good. You see I'm just giving my calves a stretch there because you're going to be getting a little tight in the calf now. Okay, we're using a lot of legs. Underknee clap. Here we go, okay? Alright, make sure there's no shoelaces getting away from you there. High knee walk with an underclap with the fingers. Back straight, head up, keep those knees nice and high. You know, when you exercise, especially when you do HIIT style training, you always want to make sure you warm up beforehand. And when I say warm up, that means to raise the body temperature and then loosen the body up, because HIIT training requires you sometimes to go through a greater range of motion. You wouldn't lift your knees like this on a regular basis, and you don't want to get any tightness or injuries. So it's very important to warm up, to elevate the body temperature, and then go through a range of motion for your preparation before you do a workout like this. Rest. Okay, good job. Move those hips around a little bit, loosen up a little bit. Okay, we're about 3/4 through now. Butt kickers, here we go. Alternating butt kickers, running on the spot. Of course, like I said before, you can do the walking version if you prefer, or if it's a little easier for you. Back straight, head up. Alternating heel to hand. Okay, bouncing from foot to foot. Keep it light. Okay, keep your core tight. Make sure you're not going to wobble or overbalance. Kicking those heels up. Back straight, head up. Okay, go to the walking version if it's getting too tough for you. But just keep moving. Okay, that's all you got to do with this kind of workout, guys, is just keep moving. You're burning calories all the time. Rest. Get that 10 seconds in. Catch your breath. Doing good. Jab cross. Off we go. And those who are watching will probably notice I've swapped my stance on this one. Okay, before I had my right hand forward, I've now swapped over to my left. So I'm jabbing and crossing over to the left and right hands. Okay, my left hand being the front hand, whereas before it was on the right hand. That way we even everything out. Don't forget that twist. See me demonstrating there the twist of the wrist, but I'm doing them quite quickly to get the aerobic side up. We're not actually boxing, we're using it as an aerobic movement. Giving those legs a little rest. Jab and cross, nice and sharp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Fire it out, 10 seconds. Keep it going, you're almost there. 3 seconds, 2. Great job, everybody. Okay. Alrighty, legs only star jumps, legs only star jumps. 1 exercise left. Here we go. Alright, no quitting on this one. Remember, guys, if you can't do the jumping, just step left, step right, and then return back in again. So 1 step to the side, the other steps to the side, and then repeat the process coming back in. Just keep it nice and smooth. and as fast as you can. Remember, the quicker you're moving, the more calories you're burning. Don't forget to breathe. Tip for the day is obviously to make sure that you prepare. One thing you can do is about half an hour before a workout, maybe drink about a pint of water. You're going to sweat, so put that water in, but don't drink it too close to the workout. About half an hour before, let your body absorb it a bit, and that way you're pre-prepared. And of course, you can drink some during, sipping, and another pint of water after.